Elsa, this is Queen Bee, and then this is Bon Bon, and these are things that you... Hi guys, today we are going to make paper dolls. And we're going to start right now. This is fun! I'm trying to make Elsa. The eyes and the hair. This is Elsa, guys. Next we can go draw her shoes. A little pale. A little blue. And let's go back to this. We're going to draw a unicorn. So this is unicorn head. And the horn. And eyes. This is our Elsa, guys. And because this is simple art from me and you. So you love and when we are here and she's gonna have a cat with her. Now we're gonna draw Hello Kitty. It's simple. Remember what I told you when we drawed Elsa and her kitty? Let's go. I'm gonna draw her sister right there with the bow. So it's simple. First, you're gonna draw the head and the ears, and then next you're gonna draw the whiskers. Draw the little nose without a mouth because the kitty, she doesn't have a mouth. And we're gonna go ahead and draw her hand. I mean her clothes. Let's go draw her. We're going to draw there and then go up here and go and to make her handle go up. And then we're going to make her one here and then her rest of her body gonna go here. And we're going to put a bow in her ear. This is good. Next, we're gonna make her sister. Wait a minute. Maybe we can make her mommy. Okay, give me space. We're gonna draw her mommy next. Wait. Look at her, she's so pretty. In the middle. Whoa. And then I'm going to draw her ear. Ear is because she's a kitty. Her eyes. And then her nose. And then a smile. And then draw her. And then cute eyelashes. She looks cute. I'm gonna put her bow on. Her bow's very cute. And then next we're going to draw the semicircle underneath. Whoa, the other one's bigger. Now it's gonna make some hole. I skate with Thunder White. Look, and then I'm gonna make a little skate at the bottom. That's like the little ring. Putting ice skates on her so she can ice skate because it's snowy. Scissor time! This is it, guys. This is it, guys. We made this Hello Kitty ice skating. Ice skating. She's gonna hug you in the camera. Hugs. Hug. Kiss, kiss, kiss. What I made. This is what I made before. This is from a jar. So cute. Not so cute. Here's a lot of skies. I love sky. That's why Sky of the Paw Patrol. One. That's her mommy. That's Ariel. Baby Ariel. I thought that of course. No, remember I did. This is cute little Sky again. I probably have drawn 4. Oh, this is Elsa, but she's not really Elsa. Wait, this is a little message, girl. I love you. Wait, can I show I love you, guys? I love you! Love you! There, guys, but I have some more. I can show you. Why are you copying what I say? You're not allowed. Hey, guys, this is our artboard, and this is what I drew. I watched Art for Kids Hub, and I know now. And I drew, this is Elsa, this is Queen Bee, and then this is Bon Bon. And these are things I drew without watching them. And then this is one I watched. They did it old before, that was old style. And this is new style. I drawed her, and then I drawed this one without Art for Kids Hub. And then I drawed this one without Art for Kids Hub. It says, I love you. And with two girls. And then I draw the ice cream, the cupcake, and the lollipop. This mint sundae, and this ice cream with something in there, and then a birthday cake. Smiley popsicle that's yellow. This is a Polly Pocket, and this is the same drawing I already told you. Guys, this is not yet it. I drew a big beach in the back with a diagram there. And that is it, guys. This is all I drew from at home, and you're all watching Art for Kids Hub. Love you. Bye. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. We love you, subscribers.